How to recover TikTok drafts after deleting app. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, the process is very easy and simple. So just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up TikTok. And then let's navigate to our profile. Now, say for example that you have draft right here, just like this one, and you uninstalled or removed the TikTok app, and you have reinstalled it, and you found that the drafts are missing. How can you recover them? Now, from this page right here, what you need to do is you need to click on the three lines at the top right, then click on settings and privacy. And then here you need to scroll down till you find the support and about section. From there, click on report a problem, and you will be redirected to uh, a page. uh, let's just wait for it to load. Okay, this one right here. Here you want to go to the topics section and then click on videos and sound. And here, let me just close this drop down. Let's go ahead to click on the drafts drop down, this one right here, and as you can see it says has an option that says missing drafts, so click on it. And as you can see here, TikTok told you that drafts are only stored locally and may be removed to few reasons. One of them is that TikTok has been uninstalled then reinstalled on a device, which is our problem. So here it asks you that is your problem solved? Click on no, and then click on need more help option that have just appeared. And you will be redirected to this page right here. And basically what we want to do is we want to message the TikTok support team and telling them our problem, that we have removed TikTok and then our drafts are gone. You can even include a screenshot or a video of your missing drafts. And once you are done, just click on the, let me show you, for example, get my drafts back. This is just an example. You want to be more specific and give them a lot of details. Once you are done, click on the submit button, and after a while, maybe a few business days, they should get back to you and solve your problem. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can recover the missing drafts after deleting TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.